Exploring Dubai. A journey through the city of dreams. Welcome to Dubai, a city like no other, where the desert meets the ocean, where futuristic innovation blends seamlessly with centuries-old traditions. This is not just a place on a map, it's a living story, an architectural marvel, a cultural mosaic, and a dream carved out of the sand. Arrival. A first glimpse of grandeur as your plane touches down at Dubai International Airport. You immediately feel the pulse of this vibrant city. The airport itself is a sign of what's to come, sleek, efficient, and glittering with luxury. The warmth of the Arabian sun greets you, and with a short drive, the majestic skyline begins to reveal itself, crowned by the iconic Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world. From the very start, you realize this city wasn't built just to impress, it was designed to inspire. Downtown Dubai. The heartbeat of the city. Our first stop is downtown Dubai, the city's ultra-modern core. At its center stands the Burj Khalifa. You take the high-speed elevator to the 148th floor. As the doors open, you're suspended nearly 1,500 feet above the ground, staring at a panoramic view of the city, desert, and sea. The man-made Palm Jumeirah, the twisting Cayenne Tower, and the endless coastline stretch before your eyes. Below, you witness the Dubai Fountain begin its musical performance. Water jets shoot up in perfect harmony to classical and Arabic tunes, right beside the shimmering Dubai Mall, one of the largest malls on Earth. It's not just a shopping center, it's an entertainment universe, home to an aquarium, an ice rink, and a virtual reality park. Old Dubai. A step back in time, but Dubai isn't all futuristic towers and luxury brands. To truly understand the soul of the city, you journey across the Dubai Creek to Fahidi Historical District, one of the oldest traditional neighborhoods in the city. Here, time slows down. The air is scented with spices and oud wood. Wind towers loom above narrow sand-colored alleys, designed to cool homes long before air conditioning existed. In this district, the Dubai Museum, set inside the 18th century Al Fahidi Fort, takes you back to when Dubai was a humble fishing and pearl diving village. Traditional boats, Bedouin tents, and displays of pre-oil life paint a stark contrast to the city's modern exterior. You hop aboard an Abra, a traditional wooden boat, and drift across the Dubai Creek. It's a short ride, but in those minutes, you float between two worlds, the old and the new. The souks, scents, sights and surprises. Once across the creek, you enter the bustling souks. The spice souk overwhelms the senses. Mounds of saffron, cinnamon, rose petals, and frankincense spill from every corner. Nearby, the gold souk gleams with walls of bangles, necklaces, and rings, some weighing over 20 kilograms. Bargaining is an art here, and shopping becomes an adventure in itself. This is where you feel Dubai's multicultural heartbeat most clearly. Indian, Persian, African, and Arab traders welcome you with warmth and enthusiasm. The desert, silence, stars, and sand. As the cityscape fades into your rearview mirror, the Arabian desert opens wide. Vast dunes roll endlessly, bathed in the golden glow of the setting sun. You join a desert safari, riding over the dunes in a 4x4, your heart racing with each drop and twist. Then comes the calm, a camel ride into the twilight. As you arrive at a traditional Bedouin camp, you're welcomed with dates, Arabic coffee, and hospitality as old as the sands themselves. The evening unfolds with falconry displays, henna tattoos, a delicious Emirati barbecue, and the hypnotic swirl of tenora dancers. Beneath a sky full of stars, the silence of the desert wraps around you like a blanket. Dubai Marina and JBR, the coastal playground. Back in the city, we head to the vibrant coast. Dubai Marina is a spectacle, a canal city built for yachts and luxury. Skyscrapers line the water like guardians of glass, and restaurants spill onto the promenades with food from every continent. Nearby, Jumeirah Beach Residence, JBR, offers one of the city's most popular stretches of sand. Locals and tourists gather here to relax, jog, or enjoy street performances. You ride a bike along the coast, grab a smoothie from a beach cafe, and take in the view of the Ain Dubai, the world's largest observation wheel, standing tall on Blue Waters Island. Modern wonders. Where the future is now. Dubai isn't just a city of today, it's building the future. You step into the Museum of the Future, a building that looks like a silver ring from another dimension. Inside, you explore space missions, AI-powered worlds, eco-innovation, and the possibility of immortality through robotics. Then it's time for thrills. At IMG Worlds of Adventure, superheroes come alive. At Ski Dubai, you snowboard down real slopes while it's 100 degrees Fahrenheit outside. If you're into high-end shopping, Mall of the Emirates is the place, complete with fashion runways and cinematic experiences. And if you're lucky to visit during the Dubai Expo or Global Village, you'll see the world come together, pavilions, music, cuisines, and art from every culture imaginable. Culinary Dubai, a feast for every palate hungry? Dubai's dining scene is as diverse as its people. Try shawarma from a street cart, or indulge in a 7-course meal at Atlantis the Palm. Whether it's Indian biryani, Iranian kebabs, French pastries, or Japanese omakase, the flavors of the world await you. Don't miss an evening at a rooftop lounge overlooking the city lights, where luxury meets serenity, and the skyline becomes your dinner backdrop. The spirit of Dubai, tolerance, ambition, and wonder. What makes Dubai truly unforgettable isn't just its wealth or architecture, it's its spirit. It's the way it brings together over 200 nationalities, lives in harmony, and constantly reaches for the stars. It's a city built on dreams, powered by ambition, and rooted in deep hospitality. Whether you came for luxury, adventure, culture, or business, Dubai stays with you. It's a place where memories are made, and stories are born. And as you board your flight home, watching the skyline disappear into the horizon, one thing is certain: you'll be back. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates.